this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete both the classic editor and also the Gutenberg plugin. So what you'll need to do is go down to your installed plugins first and foremost, and that will be on this page here when it comes up. Now what you'll have to remember here is that you will see in your version of WordPress that you may, unless of course you've already deleted the classic editor, but I'm assuming that you haven't. In here you will see on your back end in alphabetical order, you'll see classic editor, and then you'll see further down you'll see Gutenberg. Now on my one I've deleted both the classic editor and the Gutenberg plugin, because when the Gutenberg plugin first came out it was an experimental phase, and it is no longer in an experimental phase anymore. It's a default editor. So to get rid of both plugins, let's use Analytify as the example. Imagine that says classic editor there. Underneath it you'll see the word deactivate, and then to the right of that you'll see the word delete. What you need to do with the classic editor is deactivate it first, then delete it, and then you'll need to do the same again with your Gutenberg plugin. Is you'll need to deactivate it and then delete it, so that when you come to write your post, and what we'll do is we'll now go to the posts page, you will find that when you come to it, if we go and click on the add new, what you will find is that when you go to the posts page, you will find that you will then have the default Gutenberg editor will be there. Now Gutenberg, far from being the pain that it was when it first came out, is now got rid of most of its teething problems, and it's a very fun and exciting way to write a WordPress blog. I find it anyway. So what will happen is that you will see that the page comes up. Let's see if we can give that. Here it comes. Now this is what your Gutenberg will look like, just like that. Now, at the same time, if you are still using your classic editor, what you will find that where it's got add title, there'll be a block which will be around in this little bit here. And all you need to do to get rid of that is to click on the block, and it will give you a drop down box which will say remove, convert to blocks. When you click on that, it will convert your content then to what you have here. And that's how you get rid of your Gutenberg and your classic editor plugins for use with WordPress. Now, if you found that useful and helpful, then click on the link beneath the video to find out how you could actually get more leads for your WordPress site using a viral system, which I've found it to be useful, and so will you. Don't forget to leave a comment as well. Give the bell button a hit so you get notified of all the videos that come up, and then you'll get notified of all the videos that get uploaded to this channel. Don't forget to leave a comment as well for feedback, so that we know that you like it. But thanks very much for watching that for the time being, and that's how you remove your Gutenberg and your classic block plugins.